You wake up in the morning and look out the window. While enjoying the spectacular view, for some reason, God knows why, you decide to try something new. You've decided you want to code. You open your computer and you sit through dozens of tutorials. And suddenly, you can see your future. You are going to be a high-paid employee in the best companies of the world. But you run into a problem, and you have no idea how to fix it. You go through Google, but nothing seems to clearly solve the problem. So, you get into the healthiest place on the internet. You're confident. You just know that the community will warmly welcome you and help you fix the problems. You will move mountains with them, so you write a very cute paragraph about your problem. You post it and turn off your computer. The next day you wake up wondering if a hero has come to save your day. You slowly turn on your computer with a big smile on your face. You see it. You unlock the cheat code to success. There will always be people who support you. Unless if that's how it actually went. Your dreams shattered. You lie on the ground and think what went wrong. You blame yourself for being stupid. You blame yourself for not being able to do something simple on your own. But it's not your fault, it's them. It has always been their ego. It is not new that Stack Overflow has some massive ego issues. They have various tastes and questions, quite similar to how we have taste in food and music. For example, do not ask a question that is simple, even though you are struggling with it. Do not ask a question that has already been posted in the site, though that doesn't clear your problem. Pro tip: don't ask questions at all. You can try AI models to fix your problem. If that doesn't work, watch videos and read articles. And if it's still not clear, pray to God and hope for the best, and finally upload to Stack Overflow. I forgot to mention, you can join my Discord server and rant about Stack Overflow all you want in the chat. If you want shout out like these awesome people, or want the doodles I've done for this video, join my Patreon.